Scan Health Plan is a Medicare Advantage plan. It's a nonprofit headquartered in Long Beach, California. The mission is to find innovative ways to enhance senior citizens' health and to help them control where and how they lived. We need to be more cost effective so that we can provide the quality of care and the healthcare services to our customers rather than spending money on administrative costs. The Smart Board has saved us lots of time in productivity, in meeting setup. I think it's made us more collaborative. Working on the Smart Board makes me feel more creative. I think it's because it's limitless what you can do with it. The staff just love them. They just walk right into their meeting, they plug their laptop in and they go.
It's just easy, it's intuitive. I took the SMART training, but some of the people on my team didn't get a chance to take the SMART training, and they could still walk up and manipulate the screen. It doesn't take a lot of work to get started. We can actually make notes on the screen. We can actually do things like circle the screen, capture that as a picture, send it off to someone, or make a training document out of that. It's a lot more innovative, it's a lot more collaborative because we're all sitting together and doing this together, as opposed to one person maybe working on it on their own. The Smart Recorder is great, it's one of my favorites. If I'm in a session and you can tell that people need to have just a little bit more, rather than having to show it to them 2 or 3 times, I'll record what I'm doing for them, and then I can email it to them and they can take a look at it at their desks.
The Smart Board allows us to become more efficient, and it allows us to communicate better. What I'm trying to do when I'm presenting data to my colleagues is say, there is a message in here, and I've extracted the message, and it is my job to make sure that all of you understand this message. If you don't fully communicate the outcomes that you're seeing in your analyses and through your reporting, by default, some of your investment is lost. You're not seeing the full return on your investment, and I think that's where Smart Technologies comes in. You can show substantially more data. You can tie it back together to the larger picture easier because you're just using touch.
We've created a townhouse concept where rather than having the traditional cubicle environment, the staff are able to design their own space. We used to take 8 to 12 weeks to reconfigure a cubicle. Now we can change their space overnight, and in some cases just within a couple of hours. We work with the architects and our contractors and engineers on the Smart Board in solving problems with construction issues and solving problems in the design of space. I mean, in the past we sat with markers and architectural plans. Now we use the Smart Board and it's just done within minutes. Smart Board has saved us 38% in productivity and cost savings. Our customers benefit from our ability to save money. We could take that money that we were spending on cubicles and put that towards the quality of care for our members.